guys, I welcome you to Artistic EP channel. If today is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the family. This is our first portrait drawing and we have this tutorial is a bit speedy, and if you want the slowed version of the drawing tutorial, check my playlist and we have posted the slow version for you to watch and learn step by step of the drawing. Okay, so maybe you cannot follow the speedy one to learn how to draw. You go to the playlist. I've posted a slow version also there. That one is a little bit longer. It will help you, will guide you for you to draw step by step. You can also draw. I believe anyone can draw with a little any equipment that you have. You can use it to try your handwork. Okay, you can also try how to draw. Drawing is always based on imagination and also be active and also focus to bring what is on the paper on your drawing sheet. Okay, so always focus on what you are doing and you can do the best of it. Okay, thank you for watching. This is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the community. We have a lot of drawing portraits coming for you and also to learn how to draw properly. Thank you for watching and God be with you. Thank you. Hello guys, I welcome you to Artistic YouTube channel, and this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the channel and be part of the community. Thank you. Gradually, we are getting to the end of the drawing. And for now, you can see the image there and everything is obvious. Okay, so step by step, we are getting to the end of the drawing, and we reveal the drawing, the portrait for you, and you see. Here we go. This is the final reveal. This is the first portrait, and this is the image so far. This took like 2 weeks based on my timing condition. But I don't get full day for drawing, so at least 1 hour a day. It took me 2 weeks to finish this portrait work. Guys, thank you very much. If you have been here with me at the end, I appreciate it. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel and be part of the family. And as I said, we have a lot more portrait drawing coming up, and we always post tutorials to guide you also to draw and also bring up your skills. Thank you for watching. You are welcome.